Top 5 free IDEs for programming.
IDEs or IDEs make coding easier by combining editing, debugging, and testing tools. There are many free options to choose from, but picking the right one depends on your programming needs and preferences. Let's explore 5 of the most popular free IDEs, highlighting their key features and potential drawbacks to help you choose the best fit.
Visual Studio Code, versatile and lightweight.
Visual Studio Code is a popular free code editor known for its speed and versatility. It supports dozens of programming languages, extensions, and customizations. Pros include a large extension marketplace, integrated Git support, and frequent updates. However, it may require extra setup for some languages and can consume more memory with lots of extensions.
PyCharm Community Edition, Python-focused.
PyCharm Community Edition is a free, open-source IDE tailored for Python development. Its strengths are smart code completion, easy debugging, and robust project management. It's a great choice for Python beginners or professionals. The main con is limited support for languages beyond Python, as advanced features like web development support are available only in the paid version.
Eclipse, powerful for Java development.
Eclipse is a long-standing, free IDE beloved by Java developers. It's highly customizable and supports plugins for many languages and frameworks. Pros include strong refactoring tools and a rich community ecosystem. However, Eclipse can feel bulky and slow with a steeper learning curve, especially for newcomers or non-Java users.
IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, smart coding help.
IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is great for both Java and Kotlin. It offers intelligent code completion, refactoring, and version control integration. The interface is clean and modern, making development smooth. A limitation is that many advanced features, like support for other languages or frameworks, are only available in the paid Ultimate version.
NetBeans, all-in-one simplicity.
NetBeans is a free, open-source IDE suitable for Java, PHP, and other languages. It comes ready to use, with built-in tools for project management and GUI design. Pros include fast setup and strong out-of-the-box features. The main drawback is a less active update cycle and fewer plugins compared to competitors. It may also feel less sleek than newer IDEs.
Choosing your ideal free IDE.
There's no one-size-fits-all IDE. Visual Studio Code excels in customization. PyCharm Community Edition is best for pure Python work. Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA shine for Java, and NetBeans provides simplicity. Your choice should depend on language, workflow, and personal preference. All are free to try. Experiment to discover which enhances your productivity.